No one really tells you this, but creating a landing page with an AI website builder isn't hard. It's just usually explained in a super complicated way. I learned that the hard way after trying to build landing pages with old school drag and drop editors that promised simplicity, but somehow made everything slower and more frustrating. I spent hours moving blocks around, adjusting spacing, changing fonts, and previewing the page over and over again. No matter what I did, nothing ever looked the way I wanted. It felt like I was putting in so much effort just to get something that still looked unfinished. So in this video, I'll walk you through 4 super clear steps that show you how to get a beautiful, high-converting landing page using a much smarter, beginner-friendly approach. This is the exact process that helped me stop fighting with tools and start actually building pages that look clean, professional, and intentional. You'll be totally obsessed with how easy this is once you see it in action. The link to Hostinger is in the description. Step 1. Sign up and access the Horizons iTool. Now here comes my absolute favorite part. Getting started with Hostinger's Horizons AI tool and seeing how fast you can launch your first landing page. This is usually the moment where people feel overwhelmed, but with Horizons, it feels surprisingly calm and simple. When I signed up for Hostinger and opened Horizons, I literally had my first landing page project started in under 2 minutes. I was totally obsessed with how clean the dashboard looked. There were no confusing menus, no technical settings, just a big Create Website button that made it obvious what to do next. Right away, it felt welcoming instead of intimidating. First, you go to the Hostinger website and click Get Started. You create your account, log in, and land on your main dashboard. From there, you look to the left menu and find the Horizons section. You click on Horizons and you'll see a bright Try Now button. Once you click it, you're taken straight into the AI chat interface, ready to build. There's no setup process that asks you a million questions. You're not forced to pick templates or layouts up front. You're simply dropped into a space where you can describe what you want, and the AI takes it from there. Here's what most people don't know. Hostinger's AI Builder is completely free to start. You can experiment with different landing page ideas, regenerate designs, and explore layouts as much as you want before publishing anything. There's no pressure to commit right away, but the real game changer is what happens when you start describing your landing page idea to the AI. Step 2. Describe your landing page. Goal to the AI. Now here comes my totally obsessed part. Telling the AI exactly what you want, and watching it do the heavy lifting. This is where everything starts to click. When I type something like, I want a modern landing page for a new fitness app with a sign-up form and testimonials, the AI literally built the entire page for me. The hero section made sense, the call to action was clear, and the layout already looked conversion-focused. I remember thinking, wait, this is a game changer. To do this, you simply type into the AI chat, and describe your landing page's purpose in 1 or 2 sentences. For example, you might say, create a landing page for my online course with a hero section, benefits list, testimonials, and a sign-up form. You don't need marketing jargon or design terms. Just explain your goal clearly. The AI then generates the full structure of your landing page. It chooses layouts, colors, fonts, and even writes sample text to get you started. You can preview the entire page immediately and see how everything flows together. If something doesn't feel right, you can ask the AI to make changes. You can say things like, add a pricing section, make the headline more bold, or change the color scheme to blue. And if you want to start fresh, you can regenerate the design as many times as you want. Here's what most people don't know. Hostinger's I can suggest headlines, calls to action, and color palettes that actually match your vibe. If you want something clean and professional, playful and fun, or super cute and friendly, you just say it in your prompt, and the AI adjusts everything to match that feeling. But the real magic is when you start customizing the landing page and making it completely yours. Step 3. Customize and edit your landing page. Now here comes my super creative part, making your AI-generated landing page totally yours. This is where your brand and personality really start to show. When I started customizing my landing page, I was honestly shocked at how easy everything felt. I clicked on text and replaced it with my real copy. I uploaded my own photos by dragging and dropping them into place. I adjusted colors using simple color picker tools. What used to take me hours with other builders literally took about 10 minutes with Hostinger. I was totally obsessed with how intuitive the whole editor was. First, you click on any text element to edit it with your real content. Then you click on image placeholders to upload your own photos or graphics. You can adjust colors, backgrounds, and fonts with visual controls that don't require any technical knowledge. If you want to add or remove sections, you just use the drag and drop interface. You can easily add buttons, sign-up forms, testimonials, or feature sections using built-in components that already look polished. Everything stays aligned and consistent automatically, which makes the page feel professional without extra effort. Here's what most people don't know. While you're editing, Hostinger's Builder is automatically optimizing your landing page for mobile devices and search engines. You don't have to toggle settings or worry about responsiveness. Your page is already being built to look great on phones and load properly. But the real game changer is how fast you can publish and share your landing page once you're happy with it. Step 4. Publish and share your landing page. Now here comes my favorite finishing part. Publishing your landing page and sharing it with real people. This is the moment where everything you've worked on becomes something you can actually use. When I clicked Publish, Hostinger gave me a live landing page link in under a minute. There was no setup, no waiting, and no technical steps. I sent the link to my friends, and they opened it instantly on their phones. Seeing people interact with a page I built felt incredibly satisfying. To do this, you click the Publish button in the top right corner. You choose whether your landing page is public or private. Then you copy the landing page link or scan the QR code to open it on your phone. From there, you can share the link on social media, add it to your email signature, or send it directly to potential customers. And the best part is that nothing is permanent. If you want to tweak a headline, swap an image, or adjust a section later, you just click Edit, make your changes, and hit Publish again. Your updates go live instantly. Here's what most people don't know. Hostinger landing pages are instantly mobile-friendly and work across different browsers and devices. You don't have to worry about phone sizes or compatibility. One click, and your page just works everywhere. Now let's talk about how much time and money you're saving with this approach. If you hired a professional web designer, you'd easily pay between $1,000 and $3,000 just for a single landing page. If you tried to learn traditional web design, you'd spend 3 to 6 months in classes and practice. With Hostinger, you're spending less than the cost of a new pair of sneakers, and you can have your landing page live in a single weekend. That comparison alone completely changes the game. A lot of people ask, but what if I'm not creative? And the answer is simple. The AI does the creative heavy lifting for you. You just guide it. Others worry about not knowing what sections they need. But Hostinger's AI suggests proven structures based on real landing pages that already convert. And no, your page won't look generic. You can customize every detail, and the AI adapts to your brand. And yes, this really is beginner-friendly. If you can drag and drop, you can build a landing page like this. The result is immediate. Your landing page is live in hours, not months. You get to show it off to friends, family, or clients. You save thousands on design and development, and creatively, you finally get to express your vision without stress. So here's the real question. Are you ready to build your own landing page the smart way? Click the link in the description to try Hostinger for yourself. No special code needed, just the program. Open it up, describe your idea, and see how fast it turns into a real, high-converting landing page. Join our community. Drop your questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more super cute, beginner-friendly tutorials. If you've been waiting for the right moment to launch your landing page, this is it. Let's make it happen together.